పెరగాలి. జీవితం సుఖంగా ఉండాలంటే అందరికీ ఫెసిలిటీస్ కావాలి. ఆ ఫెసిలిటీస్ కావాలంటే
స్వతంత్ర సమరయోధురాలిగా సంఘ సేవ పారాయణురాలిగా జీవితాన్ని సమాజానికి అంకితం చేసిన త్యాగము మేడ్చల్ జిల్లాలోని గట్కేశ్వర అనే గ్రామంలో జన్మించింది. తన జీవితాన్ని స్వతంత్రం చేసింది. ఎవరి జీవితాన్ని? సంగం లక్ష్మీబాయి.
Roots are absorbing water. Today I am telling about absorption of water.
उसके पास एक चाल है అంటే ఆయన దగ్గర ఒక
This is the power of 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. Means 11 raised to the power 7. ఇతరులకు ఆదర్శంగా ఉన్న What is the usage of this? Now here I hear about complex 7.
All of you right?
Addition, subtraction, get down or get down. Do this problem. Complete up. Once there is answer, how can you do?
A computer is an amazing machine that works according to our requirement. Farmer works in a farmer. Friends, good morning. Geometry. A French mathematician, René Descartes is the father of quadratic geometry. The definition of quadratic geometry is the study of geometry by using quadratic axis is called quadratic geometry. In a plane, horizontal line is known as y-axis. In a plane, vertical line is known as y-axis. Chapter Quadratic Geometry. A French mathematician, René Descartes is the father of quadratic geometry. In
Pour some water, heat up to 80 degrees Celsius and take 2 identical test tubes, mix it with the
algebraic expression. Identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square.
Some safeties while we are playing, we follow the safeties means we will not get injuries. Hold the chain or roof of the swing with both hands. While we are swinging the swing, we have to.
Good morning everyone, I am Varshini from 10th class. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. I have experience about teachers. Teachers are facing a lot of problems with the children to listen the class. So please respect your teachers and be ready to listen all the class from primary section. Thank you.